Hello, sir. It's me, Deepak Moharjan from November Batch Section C. My college ID is 170353 and my Coventry ID is 1029970. In this video, I am going to demonstrate my Android app which I have created on the topic of the pet shop. This is also the final assignment of my Android module. And let's move to the application I have built. This is the overall interface of my system, and also this is the login form where user can access to the system. Here one notification has been arrived. This is the notification which represents the internet connection and disconnected, and also it is known as the broadcast notification. Let's move to the sign up. There will be two users, admin and users. So let's register admin first. Users should be fill up this all form. User has been successfully added. When the user is registered through this form, the user value will be in the false, so that to provide the role of admin we have to edit here the admin column as true. If the value is true, then he or she will get the role of admin. So start from the admin login. So provide the admin information and try to login. The admin has been logged in successfully. The admin have many different features which they can do on this application. They can view their profile, edit profile, view all users, and also add product and view all product, and also log out from the system. And also if the user may get confused, so here is the status where we can view the role of the users of admin or users. So let's move to the profile section. This is the profile section where user admin can see the detail, and also they can edit with this button. Here I will add NNN, and phone number I will edit as it is. Order profile. Now you can see here NNN and also phone number. It has been updated successfully. Let's move to the add product section. Here is the add product section. Let's add some product. And the user should provide all the information on this form. And here are different categories of the product. So this is the product category of blanket. So I will select the blanket. Price, add product. The product has been successfully added. You can see here puppy blanket, and this description, price, the category is blanket. So if the user want to edit the product, and also there might be the delete, so click here. From this form view, the user can the admin can edit and delete both product. So first of all I will update it. Let's remove the puppy and add dog here, and here also in the description. Price 2500. Edit product. Updated successfully. Product has been updated successfully. Now you can see your dog blanket in the case of puppy blanket, and also your puppy blanket were replaced by dog blanket, and also price is updated. If the if the admin want to delete the product, he or she can go here and click on delete button. So there will be one dialog box to confirm that the product is deleted or not, or make sure the product can be deleted. On click delete, it has been successfully deleted. Let's check another product. If we click on cancel, it will not take the positive expression. Let's move to the let's move to the logout section. The main role of the admin is to add these products, and also admin can go and view all the product and click on there, and he or she will see there these. But when the role of admin tries to buy the product, there will be arise alert message by saying that admin cannot buy product, please log in as user to buy it, thank you, got it. It says that the product cannot be buy by the admin. Let's move to the let's log out and move to the user section. Now here arise the login form from the logout. Now let's move to the sign up and register for user to show the overall system features of the user. Let's add name as Sham, phone number as anything, sham@gmail.com. While this sign up, the user will be added as with the role of user. So let's start by login from the current registered. It has been the Sham has been logged in successfully, and also before there was status admin, but now it is users because the Sham was provided the role of only the role of user. So here is the user. Now let's see the section. The features of user is to view their profile, edit profile, and the purchase list. Let's move to the profile. Here the user can see their details they have provided on the registration form, and also they can update. Let's see here, I will update it. Also Sham Moharjan update. Sham Moharjan has been updated, and also here his phone number has been updated. Let's move to the purchase. The user has not purchased anything, so let's move to the process of buying. Let's go to the accessories. We can also buy from here the products phone, but in the accessories there will be provided more all products. So I will buy this pet cloth while price is 600, one quantity one, and also the total price is 600. Let's click on the buy. There will be one pop-up dialog box which confirm the product can be buy or not. Let's if you don't like, click on don't like. It will not provide any action. Let click on I like it. It will successfully buy the product. Let's buy one another product. Here is the blanket. Buy now. I like it. If the purchase if the user purchase the one thing and he or she does not like it, they can delete it from here. Successfully deleted the purchase product from the list of purchase. This is the overall and also the user can view the location of the shop. Here on the map section, there will here is the icon of pet shop, where this is the location where the pet shop is located. On click, it will show the pet shop location, and also on the about us section, there will be more detailed information about the pet shop. You can click and view on the web view section. It may take a few minutes because of internet, but it loads here. Here you can the user can get detailed information about the pet shop. Back. Finally this is the overall features of this system. There are different type of testing, but in this application I have done two type of testing, that is instrumental testing and unit testing. The instrumental testing is done by the system itself. Let's run the instrumental testing first and test it the value. Let's provide the write username, email and password and test it. Now I will run it. The computer itself type the value. The test has been passes because of the requirement, because the test has been got the requirements. Let's provide the incorrect password. This has been failed because of incorrect password here. Let's check the admin login testing. The data provided here is correct, so let's test it. The result of this testing may be true. Here the test has been passed because of the correct email and password. Let's incorrect this password and test it again. Test has been failed, and also the dashboard has not been opened. So the instrumental testing is passed. Let's move to the unit testing. This is the code of unit testing of user and admin login. Let's start with the run with the coverage of the admin login. While instrument testing is done, there were no there were running of application on the background, but here no. The test has been passed. Let's make it fair. Expected result is true, so let's run it again. The test has been failed. You can also see here it has been failed, and also your result is shown. Let's move to the user login testing. The test has been failed because the expected was true but actual was false, so the requirements does not match. Let's make it false and again test. The test has been passed because the requirement of the system has been fulfilled.